Hello everyone, welcome back to KaBoom channel. So today, I will show you on how to earn some passive income using your ApeNFT token, and this time using your mobile phone. Let's go! In this tutorial, we'll be using a Klever wallet. So it's downloadable on both Play Store and App Store. And to participate and earn passive income using your ApeNFT token, you need to deposit first TRX and ApeNFT token. So just click the TRX icon and ApeNFT icon, just like this. Then click receive. So TRX will serve as your transaction fees, and I suggest to add minimum of 20 TRX. And once you have ApeNFT and TRX on your Klever app, so just click the browser button and search for the Justlend website. So Justlend website is justlend.just.network. Then connect your wallet and search for ApeNFT. So this one, ApeNFT. Then click supply. So before that, so you will need to approve the transaction, and after that, so you can add or supply ApeNFT. So it depends on you how many ApeNFT you want to add in Justlend. So once your transaction is confirmed and approved, so you can check your account status here. So you will see the total supply and your mining rewards depend on how many ApeNFT you supplied on Justlend platform. So the good news is you can withdraw anytime your supplied ApeNFT and its mining rewards. And remember, the annual return, or the APY, is 15%. So that's it, guys. And if you have question inquiries, just comment on this video tutorial. Thank you for watching.